Alright. Well, I'm back. It's been a while since I made a video. Figured I would give it another shot. Terrible lighting. See what we can do. Today is engine going in, car. It's been a month, two, I don't know. I don't remember how long it's been now. I got all my oil lines cleaned out yesterday. You have AccuSump line, let it drain after I cleaned it, and all the great stuff. Need to get all this crap cleaned out. But yeah, I've got the new Gen 4 5.3 connected to the BMW Trans, and if I'm not mistaken, everything is ready to go in finally, again, for the third time, or a millionth time after all the other ones that have come in and out so many times. Got to. Alright. I need to get a few things cleaned out of the way, moved, and then yeah, get started. Alright. Cleaned around the car, at least enough. Gotta get the oil jug out, but got the engine hoist ready, the chain on. About to see if I can figure out a way to get this phone set up so you can watch what I'm doing. You can't change cameras on this thing. Anyways, alright, well, I'm gonna set this up over here and get to work. One of the perks of doing this a million times, it's easy. Like so, it's in. So we got Megan poly mounts in, the hardened bolts, everything clears fine. That side, this side's the tight one over here, but as you can see, clear power steering line and all the oil lines, coolant line. We are good to go. Didn't break anything. So, another successful install. Okay, I was joined by Lee. Had to get his new whip in the shop. This thing's pretty cool, in my opinion. I don't know, it's ugly, but it's turboed. And it's got an oil leak. But yeah, should be cool once it's done. But anyways, it is time to get some tools and crawl underneath the car. Maybe. What's the American equivalent? 9/16?
The 14, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if there's a cool way to mount my phone underneath here or not, but
A cool way, he said.
oh, all right. Here we are underneath. Jack needs to go up higher, unfortunately. But back here. What is that? Like, so. Oh. You busy right now?
No.
Can you come jack the jack up?
Okay, I was looking up stuff for this.
Alright, one more slope. Alright, hold up. Oh, shit. And just like that, done.